Good morning, students. Today we are learn the chapter number 4, environmental management. This chapter is based on environmental disaster precautions and prevention after and before disasters. In this chapter, the component we are studied in details, that is ecosystem, environmental and ecosystem, environment conservation, environment management and biodiversity hotspots. Firstly, in ninth standard, we have studied ecosystem. So, all of you are known about the ecosystem. Can you recall? Give us to 4 questions. Firstly, what is ecosystem? Then ecosystem means the exchange of living and non-living things, or the relationship between living and non-living. Then which are its different component? There are 2 types of component. The one is biotic and another abiotic component. In biotic, for example, plants, human, animal, microorganisms. And abiotic, like as air, water, sunlight, soil and temperature. The second question is, which are the types of consumers and what are the criteria of their classification? And the consumers are start to the primary, which feeds their food on the producer like as a plant. That means primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer and apex. They are classified their habits or the dependence on the food with a gradual chain. Then the next question is, what may be the relationship between the lake and birds on tree? Actually, tree is near on to the lake, which gives the water with the help of roots in the lake. As well as birds, it depends food on the lake. So that is the relation or the exhibit the relation in between biotic and abiotic. The last question is, what is the difference between food chain and web chain? Yes, actually in ninth standard, all of we are learn food chain as well as food web. In food web, it's a complex or complicated structure of food chain. For example, firstly, the sunlight is transferred in the form of food. With the help of photosynthesis, plants are produce their food. That means plants are producer. Then primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, apex consumer and finally decomposers. This is the gradual chain which depends each other to their own food. Some are herbivores, some are carnivores, some are heterotrophic and some are autotrophic. This is a chain. But if we explain the difference in between food web and food chain, the primary consumer depends on producer, secondary consumer depends on primary consumer, tertiary consumer depends on secondary consumer, and apex consumer depends on tertiary. This is a chain that is called as food chain. But food web, that is the multiple interaction, like as tertiary consumer feeds on primary consumer, as well as apex consumer feeds on primary consumer. Here is a complex chain. This is the difference in between food web and food chain. Then think and answer. Write the name and category of each of the components shown in a picture. The given picture is food chain. Sunlight is transformed into the food with process of photosynthesis with help of plant, which are producers. Then grasshoppers, it depends on plants of the grass. Frog is depends on grasshopper. Snake is depends on frog. Eagle is depends on snakes. This is a chain to all living and non-living components. Biotic and abiotic components are interrelated to each other. This is gradual interaction to each other. Some are biotic and some are abiotic factors. So plants are producer, grasshopper is primary consumer, frog is secondary consumer, snake is tertiary consumer, and eagle is apex consumer. Finally, the decomposer, which are essential for the cleaning of surrounding. Then think and answer. The second question is, what is the necessary to convert this picture into food web and why? This is a food chain. If we exhibit this food chain in form of food web, then eagle is feed their food on snake. But it is possible eagle is feeds on the grasshopper, directly grasshopper. Eagle is feeds on the directly frog, as well as eagle is feed on snake. It is a multiple interaction to each other, and hence here is possible to food chain is converted into the food web. There are the lots of many more types of food webs in food chain in our surrounding. Then ecosystem. Lastly, I introduce ecosystem. Here is definition. The ecosystem is formed by biotic and abiotic factors and their interaction with each other. That means the exchange or the relationship between biotic and abiotic factors, or the interaction between biotic and abiotic factors. म्हणजे जैविक आणि अजैविक कारकांची जी देवाणघेवाण होत असते त्याला आपण परिसंस्था किंवा इकोसिस्टीम असं म्हणतोय. Each factor play very important role in the ecosystem. Here the given food chain is an example of ecosystem. In this ecosystem, sunlight, water, soil, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle, and decomposers. Every component essential to each other. For example, producer like plants are important to herbivores like deer, goats, sheep, cattle, horse, camels, etc. Yes. म्हणजे जर प्लांट्स नसतील तर शाकाहारी वनस्पती जिवंत राहू शकत नाही, शाकाहारी प्राणी जिवंत राहू शकत नाही आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इथे आपण बघितलं की प्लांट्स नसेल, ग्रास नसेल, गवत नसेल तर ते नागतोडे त्या ठिकाणी जिवंत राहू शकत नाही आहेत. दे आर इसेन्शियल फॉर द हर्बिवर्स अँड हर्बिवर्स आर इसेन्शियल फॉर द कार्निवर्स. म्हणजे शाकाहारी प्राणी मांसाहारीसाठी अत्यावश्यक आहेत. Predators like lion and tiger, which prevent to overpopulation by herbivores, are also equally important. A question may be arise in our mind that whether the caterpillar found in nature, organisms present in filthy place, termite insects present in the dung, are essential. Yes, I asked you last, the biotic like as frog, snake, eagle, and abiotic like as sunlight, soil, water are also essential in the food web. The main component in food web or food chain is decomposer. They are essential like that? Yes, absolutely. Because decomposers are form or growth with the dead bodies of plants and animal. That means they are cleaning to the surrounding and hence they are essential to us or the main component for the food chain. Okay, the ecosystems or the introduction of ecosystem all of you are understand. Now we can see the next part of the chapter.